Here's the app called WeBook.com Fun Things to Do. So this is the idea. Your super app for fun, easy access to your bookings. Your phone is your tickets, send and receive tickets or resell them, watch live streams, chat while live streaming, pay your webbook credits, all events in one place. So yeah, you can just tap get. WeBook is Saudi Arabia's ultimate super app for entertainment, travel, and lifestyle. Is a one-stop platform to discover and book concerts, sporting events, cultural shows, flights, and more. So whether you're in Riyadh, Jeddah, or Eastern Province, or anywhere else in the kingdom, WeBook.com connects you to everything exciting. So yeah, seems this is kind of only Saudi Arabia app, and you can just browse. And then you can see all of the details in here. So that's what it is.